how to turn on or turn off drops on your stream on your channel on Twitch PC. Now all what you have to do, guys, is so simple and easy. Just go to Twitch. This is the home page. Now go to the top corner and click on settings. After you click on settings, it will take you to this page. Go here, click on channel and videos. After you click on channel and videos, now all what you have to do is simple. Just go here, click on stream, and now scroll down until you find drops. Now here on the drops, you can now enable it or disable it easily from here. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.